Hey there, welcome back to my channel where I'm transforming my life with AI, starting with my finances, mental health and marketing. Balancing life as a parent, student and Uber driver has been overwhelming, but AI has become my life-changing system. I've tackled my $74,322.30 debt, using AI-powered tools to track spending and plan investments. These AI tools don't just provide numbers, they offer insights that keep me financially on track. For mental health, AI acts like a 24/7 coach, helping me journal and reflect to manage stress better. AI's support in both financial and mental health areas is building my resilience and keeping me motivated. In marketing, AI streamlines my affiliate business by brainstorming content and scheduling posts. This means more time to engage with my audience and grow my online presence even with a hectic schedule. AI isn't magic, but it's the right tool helping me make consistent, impactful life changes. If you feel stuck or overwhelmed, let AI lend you a hand and take those small steps to big changes together.